Hi everyone, thank you so much for joining me today. Yes, it is Beautylish time. I said last year that I was not going to get another one of these boxes. That's what I thought, but you know what? I caved. I just caved. So on December 26th, I was there bright and early just waiting for that email from Beautylish, and I clicked on it and I was able to get the XL box. I actually wasn't expecting it until next week, so I was really surprised. I was in the middle of recording some videos for my wig channel, and here comes FedEx. So let's take a look. All I did was I'll open the box. I have no clue what is inside, and it's just one of these things. I am happy with whatever I get. It's the element of surprise. If something doesn't go with me, if something I can't use, I give it away to one of my girls, to my friends. It doesn't matter to me. I just think it's a lot of fun. It's the XL box. I paid $150 for it and $15 shipping. There was supposed to be about $300 worth of products in here. So without further ado, let's get started. Very pretty. I'm not going to read everything that's in there, but it has a nice little card and beautifully wrapped. So let's see what's in here. I'm excited. I am excited. I have high hopes. My goodness, Beautylish does such an incredible job. So I've got this inside, and I've got, okay, so let's start off with this. Oh, this is nice. I could always use this. Where's my scissor? It looks like, well, it doesn't look like, I think it is, a travel bag. And you know, I have a, let me open up this package so you're not listening to all this noise. All right, it is a travel bag. This is from their Units line. Has a nice zipper. And there is lots of space there for anything you like, and since it's transparent, we could see what we put in. So that is really nice. I am happy with this. I can never have too many of these bags. Now let's see what's in this goodie bag, and I'll let you know if I'm keeping it or if I'm giving it away. And if I'm giving it away, I will let you know why. I can't remember if with the extra large bag we had the option to pick the skin tone. I think with the regular box, I think you could pick light or dark, because I know I've gotten that before. All right, the first thing I see here is the pineapple exfoliating powder. This is one of my holy grails. I love this exfoliating powder. I actually have a little bit less than half. This is a powder. You add a little bit of water to do a gentle exfoliation. Love this. I use this all the time, especially when my skin needs a little bit of brightening. Love it. This is the Wayne Goss Essential Lip Pencil. I don't have any of his lip pencils. I am excited. I don't care what color it is. I'm excited to have it because I didn't buy any. Oh, this is pretty. I'll add the color across the screen because I can't see it. It seems to be a terracotta color. Very nice. I use these colors, sorry. Oh goodness, if it's that god-awful palette that I have from Charlotte Tilbury. I love all of Charlotte Tilbury. I'll be perfectly honest with you. I love them all, but there was one that was a total dud. I don't even know where I have it. Total dud. It was the one that had some emerald green in it. It was a little quad. That didn't work for me. If you love it and it works for you, please let me know how you're doing it, because goodness knows I could not get that one to work. This is the dud, ladies. That's what this is. This is the Dazzling Diamonds. Yeah. Maybe I'll give it to my granddaughter to play with. Yeah, this did not work. And you know what? I was talking to Natalie, the beauty diva, about this, and she told me it didn't work for her either. Yeah, this does not work for me, and I'll tell you why. This does not look green on the eyes. It looks black. And these other three, it's almost like toppers. I couldn't get this to work. Even if it's my little granddaughter, she'll love playing with that. Okay, this is a face roller. I don't have one of these. This is a Jouer Skinny Dip. This is probably going to be going to someone as well. I don't use this, but that's okay. It'll make somebody else happy. This is pretty. There's nothing wrong with it. There's that. Oh, maybe I can use it. It's pretty. Has a nice little glow. Suzanne Kaufman. Don't know what this is. Hyaluron Serum. All right, so that is what I received in my XL box. Yeah, it's a little bit disappointing. I love the Good Molecules, the pineapple exfoliator. I love this. This is this is $16. The bag, the clear carry-on bag, that's $12. The Sonia G brush, this is the Worker Pro. I said I have it. I love it. I don't mind having a second one. This is $30. The Skinny Dip Jouer highlighter. This is $35. The face roller is $24. Wayne Goss lip pencil. This is $14. The Garsh Awful palette is $53. The small size of the moisture for hair, this is $16. And the pricey little number in this bag was this moisturizing serum. It's $169, bringing us to a total of $359. Do I really think it's worth $359? I don't know. What do you think? I don't think so. As I said, I don't go off and be really disappointed with products because I do give them away and all of that. But, you know, just by looking like over it, I really thought this was just that they have made a mistake. Once I priced everything out, yeah, it equals $359, and the XL box has to, they say that it's going to equal $300 or more. So you basically end up paying half. Could I do without the $169 serum? Yeah, I can. I can do without this. I'll be passing this on to my daughter. This I'll probably pass on to my granddaughter because I honestly don't think that anyone that wears makeup, I mean, avid makeup user, I don't think anybody would like this. This is honestly for me, this is a total dud. And I don't know what I'm going to do about this yet. I'm not sure what I will do. So what am I excited about? I'm excited about the Wayne Goss lip pencil. I'm really excited to have another Sonia G. And I am excited about having a backup for my exfoliating powder. But you know what? That's what happens when we order these lucky bags. We never know what we're going to get. We know it's going to be a surprise. Some are going to be amazing and some are just going to be duds. And I think I got a dud this time. It's okay. It's all good. There are worse thing in the world than getting a lucky bag that is a dud. Thanks everyone. I'll see you next time. Bye.